Oh, is that the signal?
That's the signal.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Okay.
So we've made a few different batches, and like every time it's a little bit different. This one right now is pinon pine resin. That's the main ingredient, and that's dissolved into coconut oil at first, and then we melt in beeswax, and then this time we added a little bit of castor oil to it as well because it was a little bit too thick from the beeswax. But yeah, this batch is pinon pine resin, coconut oil, beeswax, and castor oil. And the pinon pine resin is harvested from Sedona, and those trees, the pinon pines, like anytime they have like a little like a bug bores into the bark, or like something damages a limb or something, they just pour out this resin, and it's their immune system. They're fighting off bacteria and fungus that could possibly get inside and kill the tree, and it works the same way on our bodies because that's its purpose. And yeah, they just so generously like ooze out this potent medicine. Like, you know, you'll find it in these like big clumps on the side of the tree, and even like sometimes under the really big trees you'll find these like gobs of it on the ground under the tree, like just right there, just ready to take, and there's no harm done to the tree because yeah, it's just, yeah, you don't have to cut the tree. I noticed some of the trees there have been cut, and to induce them to pour out the resin, but we don't do that. We just harvest what's already there. So yeah, we really want the sale of these salves to go to, yeah, sale of these salves to go towards supporting the creation of an example of how to live in harmony with nature. This is just like an amazing medicine. At least for me, I really appreciate it. Like, I love the smell of it, and I love the way it feels on my skin, and I want to share that with people more than the salve itself. It's like the vision that it's supporting. My friends in Sedona have been running this resource center called The Castle for over 3 years now, and the lady Jessie that started it is just amazing.